The year, and I'd like to invite up Daniel Jablonski from Real Connect to hand out this award. Daniel, please come up and join us.
And here are the nominees. Andrzej Lunka and Partners, Dentons, Greenberg Traurig, Hagen Lovells, KPRF Law Office, Linklaters, Magnusson, White and Case, Volstice.
So Daniel, before you read out the winner, tell us a little bit about this year's Real Connect Expo in Warsaw.
Real Connect is an opportunity to meet people focused on property market from Central and Eastern Europe. During 2 days, we organize conferences, workshops, business mixers. The event will be held on May 23rd, 24th. Please join us.
Great. Well, thank you very much. Well, read out the winner of this year's Law Firm of the Year.
The winner is KPRF Law Office.
Congratulations. Welcome to the stage.
No, I know I'm not. Good evening, everyone. I don't have any speech, actually. What I would like to do is I would like to thank all our clients, all my team, who is leading team in negotiating lease agreements in our country. I would like to thank our dear guests who joined us this evening, and all of you for supporting us, and to the jury members who have voted for us. This is our third award, and our challenge will be to chase Chapman Taylor on the amount of the awards that they are receiving. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, and come on over here for a photo. And